Acute appendicitis is one of the most common causes of acute abdominal pain worldwide, requiring prompt clinical intervention. It typically presents as an acute inflammation of the appendix, characterized by significant redness, swelling, and localized vascular congestion. While it can affect any age group, it is most prevalent among young adults, frequently necessitating urgent surgical consultation and management. Timely and accurate diagnosis is critical to prevent severe complications such as appendix perforation or localized peritonitis. Computed tomography, or CT, has become the gold standard for diagnosis due to its exceptionally high sensitivity and specificity. Radiologists look for key indicators, including a dilated appendix over 6 mm, wall thickening, and the presence of periappendiceal fat stranding. By providing a definitive visualization of the pathology, CT scans ensure an accurate diagnosis and guide successful surgical planning.